Just
Keep your composure. Don't.
just analyzing the swag.
Rick, Gats, Supreme.
Margella,
Coach.
Jats, Chrome Wallet, SRT Keys, Supreme, Bart Simpson, Coach.
I'm guessing.
You don't know shit about that.
That's
Damn, why you assume?
You don't know shit
What is
about that. I'm just saying.
Why seller Rick?
Bro, this shit, one of one, bro.
Prada
This is
Rick.
from H. Lorenzo. I don't know what the brand
H.
is, but
Lorenzo
it's some
101?
expensive shit for sure.
Type shit.
Yeah, got this Dior right here.
You really professor.
And Ralph Lauren.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
what
a
are
professor.
you trying to be?
Professor,
Professor? What you trying to teach?
just 3101.
Dude, I'm one of his top students, so I'll teach you too. I've learned from the best. Let me just say that much.
I feel like you'd be a good looks Maxine.